硬くなってるよ。お仕置きが必要だね。
Dad wants me to play with my little brother, but like, my little brother refuses to play with me, so I don't know what the hell to do. Ah!
I just saw you running out the corner, Frank.
No.
Yeah.
So it's like a PvP.
No.
Yeah, it's a PvP game. Survival.
Ain't no fucking way, dog. I should have pre-fired. I should have fucking pre-fired.
Yeah, but MG42.
I should have pre-fired with an MG.
I don't know how to do that.
Yes. Let's try to figure out how to make a gore system.
Yeah, that'll probably take me like 5 days to make. Yeah. Hey Frank, let me see some hands. Let me see some hands. Let me see some damn hands.
I don't know where the fuck you are.
What?
Oh.
You see me?
Oh. I was in third person. I was like looking over here. I'm like, where the fuck?
Dude, I love the visor, dude. I love to look at your face. Hey, where you going? Hey, let me see some hands. Let me see some hands. Frank, I'll give you this one. There's a Makarov in there.
Huh?
There's a Makarov in there.
Tiny ass Makarov.
Tiny Makarov. What do you think? A little noob holding the Makarov. Oh shit.
Oh. How? Nani the fuck?
I just played too much ink trainer, that's why. Sorry.
Oh, no wonder. Also,
Yes.
the AN94 doesn't work, sadly.
The AN94.
Yeah.
And you just go into the back rooms and be chased by Shrek.
What the heck? What was that? Oh yeah, I forgot. I give you admin commands, huh? I forgot.
Like, I got bored, so like, what's in this? What are the tools you added? I scroll down, I see railgun.
Dude. Shooting explosions.
God, what the fuck? What the? Oh, what the heck? Oh. Spit.
Okay, I hit you once.
No, fucker, I'm dead.
Oh, what? I just one-tapped you. What the fuck? I just one-tapped you for M17. What the hell? My aim cannot be that good, bro. My aim was actually trying to put me Eastern conflict. What the fuck?
What is this minigun?
Oh yeah, the minigun doesn't work for some reason. I set up everything.
It shoots one shot.
I know,
You
yeah.
have to bolt it every single time.
That's weird. It's a cursed minigun, okay?
Flamethrower?
That thing's too overpowered. Well, it was like this flamethrower. Remember the flamethrower you added to Germany's game?
Oh,
Not
that flamethrower?
Yeah, it's just like that. Yo, I just seen that. That's scary.
Oh, fun. Okay. Where are you, Jason?
No, please. I'm sorry.
Where are you?
I only have an M17. I was about to say M16. Okay, I saw you once at least. Okay, I don't know how to kill me.
Jason!
Yeah?
There's a new update!
For what?
To, SCP roleplay.
Oh yeah, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I just didn't see the event.
I need to switch to my,
Would you live here for $1 million?
This is my intelligence.
Computer's like acting weird. So you can't get on. Ooh, you already know me. I'm gonna do US Army.
You have to join Germany because I already joined America. Unless you want to be American.
No, that's fine. Actually, no. Put me as Germany. I'll always come join me every time I'm trying to visit Battle, what's it called? Was it Bloody Omaha?
But yeah.
Always has to be join me.
You're going to use the truck. Please stop the truck before you exit.
Damn, so you just copy and pasted the same thing out of Bloody Omaha?
To be honest, we were gonna use the exact same thing. Like, what difference would it make if I just, you know, change the format a little?
Yeah.
Like, it's still America versus Germany. What the fuck is the difference?
Drive the truck. I'm sure if I could even drive the truck.
You don't know how to drive the truck? There we go.
I'm lying.
Yo, wait, try exiting the truck, but like also pressing W at the same time.
Yeah, I did that. Will you want me to bring it? Frank, I guess my computer cannot handle your game.
Goofy.
Since there's so much random shit that fucking what was it Christian added.
Christian just added the M3 Bradley. Everything else is just pure freaking. Okay, so I'ma just see that tank behind me?
Tiny ass store. I forgot how tiny you put that as.
Blood just walked right past me.
That's a working shop, man. Oh. I'm to be honest with you, I'm pissed at how I missed all my MG shots. And how you're not dead? Now you're dead. Holy shit. God damn. Oh my. Ah, you got me. Alright. I'm just gonna throw a grenade in the middle. Okay. Frank, your grenades are goofy.
Just here's the thing. Go into third person and throw them.
And throw them?
Yes.
Because I was throwing them in first person, and it didn't fucking throw, man.
Don't throw in first person. We learned that in freaking Ranker. For like little.
Ranker? You had grenades in Ranker?
Oh no, it's just for the freaking battle thing.
Oh. Not just spawn. Fucking. I'm about to go crazy, Frank. Oh my god, okay.
That range, oh my god, that range.
CQB mode. No church is clear. Bushes.
No.
No, you might be behind a tree. They're in. Where did that even came from?
The church?
The church? Oh, you're in that little damn house, huh?
I was hiding in Dimitri's shop.
You were? God damn.
Yeah.
That's...
Like, I watched you go in. Oh,
Bro, you just ate those bullets. What the hell? You come on. You got blood out. Alright. So now I know a good hiding spot. How did you hide in here? Okay, let me try this. You just go. Oh, you go in this little damn corner. You asshole. Peek the corner.
What corner? Oh, that corner.
Yeah, that corner.
Waggis outus. Oh, my gun jammed. Oh, why did it jam?
Damn it! I had to reload on my guns. Okay. I guess that's cool too. Just
What?
nothing. No, I was gonna tell you because it didn't even help. My freaking truck just drove into the church itself.
You know, there's a nuke button somewhere.
Oh, of course you do something like that. But no, well, I never knew you. Well, why would I say that? You don't do stuff like that.
Christian added it.
Christian added it. Of course he would.
He said, "Dude, add it. It's funny."
Oh, you're behind me. I got you. Okay, finally. Holy shit. Oh, you just need to go semi, I guess. Not fucking full auto. And miss all your shots. God damn.
Fuck full auto.
Yeah. Just go Milsim mode. Just go semi. Then you.
Long dick somewhere.
Oh god damn it! Wait, I can't go in. Oh wait, I'm stuck now. No, I'm stuck now. No. Actually, wait, come on. Okay, come on. I got it. Come on. Oh. Oh yeah. This is perfect. Oh yeah. This is you should have patched this if you found it.
Oh,
I found a little secret. Whoa.
I'm scared now.
Yeah. This is good. You just need to peek out this corner and then I'll shoot you.
My name is Jamar. I come from afar. Allahu Akbar! I can move the tent.
Whoa.
Oh. Jump.
Whoa.
Oh. You threw the grenade.
Found.
What?
Alright, come over here.
Dog, I can get over there really quickly.
What the heck? Nah, screw it, I'm going. Oh! Jesus.
Is there any possibility of survival if a person is sucked into an aircraft engine? Firstly, you need to stay absolutely calm.